In life, our biggest mistakes rarely come from the wrong actions. They come from the right moments. We fail to value from chasing what we don't have while quietly ignoring what already surrounds us. Today's story may sound simple, but it carries a truth strong enough to disturb a peaceful mind. Listen carefully, because this story is not about a merchant. It's about you and me. One quiet afternoon, a successful businessman was traveling with his trusted advisor. As their car passed through a small town, they noticed a modest family outside a tiny house. The parents were sitting on the ground, their children laughing, their voices filled with warmth and ease. The businessman watched silently, confused. Finally, he asked, "How can they look so content when they have so little?" "And I feel restless, despite having everything." The advisor smiled and replied, "Because they are not part of the one more group." Curious, the businessman asked, "What is the one more group?" The advisor said calmly, "Give me $9,999 and 6 months of patience. I will show you." Without hesitation, the businessman agreed. That night, the advisor placed an envelope outside the family's door. The next morning, the father found it. Inside were neatly stacked bills. His heart raced. His hands trembled. They counted the money again and again. $9,999, $1 short of $10,000. At first, they celebrated, but soon a thought appeared. Why stop at this number? Why not make it complete? That single thought changed everything. The father began working longer hours. He watched every expense. Every dollar spent felt painful. When his wife bought groceries, he questioned her. When his son lost a few bills, he raised his voice. Laughter slowly faded. Silence replaced joy. Weeks turned into months. The house felt heavier. The smiles disappeared. The money remained, but peace was gone. 6 months later, the businessman returned with his advisor. He barely recognized the family. Arguments filled the air. Tired faces replaced warm eyes. Shaken, the businessman asked, "Now tell me, what is this one more group?" The advisor replied gently, "It is a group of people who have enough, but spend their lives chasing what's missing. They own many blessings, yet focus only on the final dollar. In that chase, they forget how to live." The lesson is simple, but rarely practiced. Happiness is not destroyed by poverty. It is destroyed by comparison, by the belief that peace begins after the next achievement. When gratitude ends, restlessness begins. And when more becomes the goal, what we already have loses its value. Life doesn't collapse suddenly. It unravels one thought at a time. And sometimes the most dangerous loss is forgetting that we were once happy before we asked for more. If this story made you pause, reflect, or question your own race, then remember this: true wealth isn't reaching the perfect number. It's knowing when you already have enough. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next story.